Okay, so this time we are going to put ourselves into what we call inverse ratio ventilation. So we're going to leave our compliance and our resistance the same, but we're going to change that time high from 1.5 seconds to 5.25 seconds. So this is very useful in your patients that aren't oxygenating, your ARDS patients. So what we'll do is it's going to ask us to confirm several times because we are going to inverse ratio. So we're going to increase, click OK. It's saying, are you sure you're going into inverse ratio ventilation? And we are. We want 5.25 seconds. So we see we are a 7-to-1 ratio, 5.25 inspiratory, 0.75 expiratory. We know that because our rate set at 10, our total cycle time of 6 seconds won't change. It's just our IDE and our ratio are changing. So let's go ahead and accept that and see what happens to our tidal volume. So we're allowing less time to exhale, essentially, because we've increased that I time so significantly. So we're having a greater inspiration and a smaller exhalation. So we would think that our tidal volume would go up, but it looks like it has dropped down to all the way into the 400s. Why is that? Why would we think that we have decreased our tidal volume when we're actually allowing more time for inspiration? Well, our pressures haven't changed, so we're still reaching the set amount of pressure, but because we're holding that inspiration for so long, we're not allowing enough time to fully exhale. So let's do an expiratory pause maneuver and see if we have some auto PEEP present. Sure enough, look, our total PEEP is 8.3 and we should be at 5. So we know we have some extra PEEP going on because we're not allowing a full time for exhalation. And because we're not allowing enough time for exhalation to completely empty, we can't bring in as much volume as we could before because we can only reach the set amount of pressure that we have.